Hey guys, good morning. Alright, so it's another cooking day. Like, I'm obviously in the kitchen because you watch my vlog and you know me, like, you know that this part of the house is my kitchen, and this part that I'm standing is where I would be making my chicken stew. I got a chicken yesterday in the market. This time I actually want to buy a strong chicken because I usually like the soft chicken where I won't have to cook it for so long. But this time I bought a strong chicken. I don't know, I just wanted to try it because I've been kind of I ate a strong chicken in my cousin's place the last time I went there, and it's kind of really like tasty and I liked it. Alright, so when I now went to the market, I said I'm gonna be buying that strong chicken. The strong chicken is actually the old layers. In the market they will kind of buy fresh, like chicken that is alive, okay? Then we would give it to some of them there who are, you know, killing the chicken. Like they slaughter the chicken, they feather it, wash it and cut it in bits, you know, for you. So it's not like I don't buy frozen chicken. I actually don't like frozen chicken because, you know, we don't know the chemical that has been used to preserve it for so freaking long. But still, this one too, I don't know. Everybody just saving us. But nonetheless, I'm gonna be walking you guys through my chicken stew. Alright, I actually brought it yesterday. I bought it yesterday, so I kept it inside the fridge, and this is it. So I have tomato already, like a parboiled tomato inside that fridge. I'm gonna go bring it out, okay? So I parboiled the tomato like some days back, but I've not actually used it, so it's kind of really frozen right now. So I'm going to bring it out and then I'll put it inside water for it to defrost. Alright, so I can use it. Let me bring it out at the same time too. Tomato. Let me try and open. So here is a parboiled tomato. It's frozen, like really strong. So I have to keep it for it to defrost. Alright, when it defrosts, I would use it. And I have to wash the chicken. I'll be back. Alright, so here's the frozen chicken. Is frozen already. Alright, so I'm gonna try to defrost all this stuff, and when all that is done, I'll be right back, okay? Alright, so I finished washing the meats. Now I have to parboil it, so I'll have to be putting some seasoning in it, like pepper and all of that. So let's do that. So actually cutting this in this way so I don't cut my hands, because this knife is really freaking sharp. So I'm going to be taking some of it, and we're going to be putting that into this. Salt to taste, just a little of it so you don't get too much. A little water to help in the steaming process. Just the amount of water will be perfect. I don't need it to be too much. And then let it cook and parboil for some while. Then I'll be right back to make the stew itself. But for now, I'm still waiting for the tomato to defrost. It's beginning to defrost really good. It's still almost the same way it was. Can you imagine? This stuff can be very hard, but of course it's gonna defrost. So I'm gonna go relax inside the room, do some work while I'll wait it to, you know, parboil a little while. So I'll be back, correct? So sometimes while cooking, I kind of tend to forget to put some things. I actually didn't put thyme in it, and some curry. So I'm going to be putting that, and again. So I just brought down the chicken from the fire, and I need to just remove it so I can, you know, get the stock. The stock is this water to use it for the stew. And also I need to fry the chicken because I love my chicken fry in stew. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Well, I'm not a chef, I'm just like showing you how I prepare my food. Okay, alright, so I kind of like to deep fry my chicken. So I actually like frying my chicken in this big pot because I don't like using the frying pan. If I use the frying pan, look at the frying pan over there. If I use the frying pan, everywhere is just going to be oil. It's just going to be bringing out oil like that, and it's going to burn my hands. So I discovered that frying it with a big pot, it's going to be better, and it's going to save my hands from the oil. Alright, so I'm going to wait for the meat to come to, you know, dry a little. I'm not going to fry it too much because it's a strong meat, so just a little will be perfect, and the stew will begin. Yup, I'm going to be using dry fish in my stew. Okay, where is it? So I got a dry fish from, I'm actually drying it under the sun. Okay, here I got some new dry fish from someone yesterday, and I think I should be using 2 of this in the stew. Have you used dry fish before inside the stew? Well, this is not like the professional cooking stuff. I do it just as the way I want it, how I want my stuff to be. So I just put whatever I want or whatever I feel that is going to make my stew very tasty. So that's why I'm using the dry fish alongside with the chicken. So let me wash this and prepare it for the meal. It's going to be very tasty, like I tell you. Alright, so time to bring out the chicken from the oil. Okay. Oh my god, when you fry chicken, the chicken will end up, when you're done frying chicken, honestly the chicken will end up looking very tiny and very small. I think it's not even much. It's not going to be enough for the stew preparation. It's really looking tiny. Yeah. Alright, so let me bring down the oil and prepare the stew now. Still blocked though, but it's gonna dissolve first. I like the fact that the tomato is really red. So now I've poured in the stock of the chicken, and also I've poured in the dry fish, but I've not put in the chicken yet. I still want to stir it a little, you know, so I can put in the chicken, and that would be it. Now I'm going to be stirring that all up. The stew is almost ready. Oh my hand! But I'm going to be cooking it again. So I'm going to put in another cube of Maggi, and that will make it like 2 cubes, and that will be the last. And I'm going to stir it. I've already, put in some salt, and I'm gonna close it up, alright? So I'll be right back. And behold, my stew is ready. And now I'm gonna be dishing it. Yummy, really yummy. Alright, so let me dish it into plates so you guys can see. So yeah. Alright, so oops, I'm done preparing my stew. Now I am going to be making like a boiling of rice, a little bit of rice to enjoy with the stew. So if you did find the video interesting, helpful, and however it is, like if there's any part you think I did something, that I usually don't do when preparing your, chicken sauce or chicken stew, let me know at the comments section. And if you did enjoy watching that, please thumbs up, subscribe, and ciao guys. Peace.